how to report a video on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can report a video on Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to report a video on Facebook, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Facebook app like this. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just want to actually go to the watch section here, and then you'll be able to see a list of videos. Now let's say you find a specific video that is not of your interest or is just conveying some type of wrong message and you want to report them. You just want to tap the three dots icon that you see over here. Once you tap the three dots icon here, you'll find a section where it says report video broadcast. So it says I'm concerned about this post, so tap the report button. Now basically it'll ask you as to why you want to report it, and then just tap submit report. Now I have nothing really against this video. If you do have something against the video, you can report it, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want to just banish some type of creator like that. So if you want though, you can definitely go ahead and report that person, but I'm not going to do it. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can report someone on Facebook. We hope the video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.